Welcome to Globetrotter. Today, we're exploring one of the most historic and majestic cities in the world, London, the capital of the United Kingdom, a city where royal tradition meets modern life, and every street has a story to tell. Let's discover 10 amazing facts about London. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London. Fact 1. Home of the royal family. London is the official home of the British royal family, with the famous Buckingham Palace at its heart. Every year, millions visit to watch the changing of the guard ceremony. Fact 2. Big Ben isn't actually the clock. Most people call the big tower Big Ben, but that's actually the name of the bell inside the tower, not the clock itself. Fact 3. The Tower Bridge. One of the most iconic landmarks in the world. It can lift up in the middle to let big ships pass through the River Thames. Fact 4. World's oldest underground. The London Underground, also known as the Tube, is the world's oldest metro system, opened back in 1863. Fact 5. City of Art and Theatre. London's West End is world famous for theatre shows and musicals, like The Lion King and Les Miserables. Fact 6. A city of cultures. More than 300 languages are spoken in London. It's one of the most multicultural cities in the entire world. Fact 7. Home of legends. London inspired some of the world's best writers, like William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, and J.K. Rowling. Fact 8. The London Eye. Standing 135 meters tall, the London Eye gives a breathtaking 360-degree view of the city, one of London's top attractions. Fact 9. Famous for its weather. London's weather changes quickly. Locals always carry an umbrella, even on sunny days. Fact 10. Football madness. London is home to some of the biggest football clubs: Chelsea, Arsenal, Tottenham, and more. It's a city where football is a passion, not just a game. That's London, a city of royalty, history, art, and endless charm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Globetrotter for more amazing travel facts. And tell us, which city should we visit next?